my channel. Today we're back at Islamization. Today we're unboxing my mother's iPhone 14 Max Pro. I'm lucky I get to unbox it because I wanted an iPhone 14 Max Pro. I need to be 13 to get a phone, but isn't that fair because I'm 10 and a half. I'm almost 11. So yeah, this is my mother's iPhone 14. It is deep purple inside, and yeah, so it's the deep purple look. So let's go ahead and open it. But I'm so lucky I get to open it since I wanted one. Okay, carefully, and we have deep purple iPhone 14 Max Pro. So my mother is really lucky to have it. Wow, look at the texture. I'm the first one to hold it. So it's a deep purple color. It's different than other colors. So yeah, the texture. This is how you put it in silent mode. And here is the cable. It's a charger for the iPhone 14 Max Pro. And here is the SIM, I think. Yeah, you're gonna have to take a new SIM, and there's an iPhone sticker like always. Because I have an iPad Air, the latest edition iPad Air, but I didn't do unboxing video on that. But now let's open. So this is the screen. Look at how clean it was. I'm the first one to hold it. So that now we have to. So I think you can open it like this. See, you see when you turn off your phone, just hold it and then you can open it. And we have to wait a little while. Now for the greetings. Hello. And it says in other languages. So we're gonna pick English, Canada, yeah, okay. We're doing Canada. Set up manually. Wi-Fi. And so I need my mother's help to continue, but this is a short video. So bye, subscribe, like, share this video, and yeah, so this is a new deep purple iPhone 14 Max Pro, first one to hold it. Bye, see you on another video.